Happy New Year. 8-bit fix, be fixin'. The guy sent me 6 computers for repair. I guess he's gonna give me a couple of them, some cash for working on it, but 3 800s and 3 800 XLs. Oh yeah. That one. Bad crystal. Keyboard, mechanical keyboard needs help. Have to resolder that and do a lot of work to it. But it's error-free. Removed resistor R57. 800 number 1. Full 48K, color adjusted. Keyboard's good. Voltages don't pass, but it runs. That one, that's probably going to give me. It does run. I'm still working on it. Going to recap the power board on it sometime soon. This one's up and running. It keyboard multiplexer. Both keyboard multiplexers adjusted the color pot. It has an Axlom RAM cram card. It's error-free and it has some minor voltage anomalies. Oh, it has kind of a janky spacebar. That one's up and running. Had another bad timing crystal. Removed R57. Keyboard's good. Voltages okay. No errors. And this guy. Oh yeah, and these are all the 800 XLs are fully socketed. This one, keyboard's okay. RAM's okay. Has MOSTEC RAM. Volts are okay. Main cap okay. Removed R57 soft focus. Reseated all the chips in that one. They all had issues at some point, but they're all up and running. With coffee cup in hand and a whole Saturday devoted, Paul succeeds. 8bitfix.com